Ready. Start. Appellant who was convicted and sentenced for the offences under Section 302 and 449 of the Indian Penal Code by 3rd Additional Sessions Judge Ad hoc 1, Thrissur, filed this appeal from prison challenging the conviction and sentence. The prosecution case is that PW1 Subramaniam is the manager of the toddy shop number 19 situated at Pengamuk of the Katambal village. On 6/4/2004 by about 2:45 pm, deceased Sudhakaran came to the toddy shop and consumed toddy and left the toddy shop. He returned back after 15 minutes. The appellant was then inside the toddy shop. The appellant asked for the money due to him from Sudhakaran. Sudhakaran did not pay the amount CRA 1520/2008 and there ensued a quarrel between the two. PW4, who was there in the toddy shop, intervened and separated them. The appellant was sent out of the toddy shop. After some time, while the deceased was still in the toddy shop, appellant came back armed with MO chopper used by the coconut climbers and using the chopper inflicted several injuries on the neck and head of the deceased Sudhakaran and left the toddy shop along with chopper. PW3 Suku, who was present there in the toddy shop and witnessed the incident along with others, took the injured to Royal Hospital. PW5 Dr. Thomas Matthew examined the injured at 3:34 pm and prepared Exhibit P2 wound certificate. Sudhakaran breathed his last within 5 minutes of arrival in the casualty. PW1 went to the house of Suni, owner of the toddy CRA number 1520/2008 shop after the injured was taken to the hospital and informed the incident. While he was with the owner, information was received from the hospital that Sudhakaran is no more. The owner directed PW1 to inform the police. PW1 went to the police station and furnished Exhibit P1 F1 statement which was recorded at 4:15 pm on 6/4/2004 by PW10 Sub-Inspector who prepared Exhibit P1 in bracket A FIR and registered crime number 235/2004 for the offence under section 302 of the Indian Penal Code. PW11 Circle Inspector of Police took over the investigation. He went to the scene of the occurrence at 5:30 pm and prepared Exhibit P4 Scene Master in the presence of PW7, the attesting witness. PW11 reached the hospital and prepared Exhibit P6 Inquest Report in the presence of PW9 and seized MOS 6 to 8 the dresses found on the body of the deceased. CRA number 1520/8 MOS 2 to 4 were seized from the scene of the occurrence at the time of preparing Exhibit P4. PW11 furnished necessary requisition for postmortem examination. PW6 Dr. Shiju conducted autopsy and prepared Exhibit P3 postmortem certificate finding that the death was caused due to the injuries sustained on the head and neck. PW11 arrested the appellant at 8:15 pm on 6/4/2004. On the information furnished by the appellant, PW11 recovered MO number chopper at 1:15 pm on 7/4/2004 under Exhibit P5 Caesar Mazur in the presence of PW8 and under Exhibit P9 recovery Mahazar seized MO3 from the northeastern corner of the tailoring shop of Parameshwaran. Material objects were forwarded to the forensic science laboratory and chemical laboratory and obtained exhibit P11 and P12 reports. PW11 furnished exhibit P10 reports. CRA number 1520/08 incorporating the offense under section 449 of Indian Penal Code also. After completing the investigation, the charge was laid for the offences under section 302 and 449 of the Indian Penal Code before judicial first class magistrate who committed the case to the Sessions Court. Learned Counsel Sessions Judge made over the case for trial to Additional Sessions Court, Thrissur. Stop.